Every great product begins with a journey built on purpose, responsibility, and trust. Welcome to Oproma Cosmetics, where science, discipline, and care come together to create excellence. Located in Sri Lanka, Oproma Cosmetics Private Limited is a GMP-compliant and ISO 9001:2015 certified manufacturing company dedicated to producing high-quality skincare, hair care, and healthcare products for local and international markets. At Oproma Cosmetics, we manufacture a wide range of skincare, hair care, soap, and healthcare products. We specialize in third-party manufacturing for well-recognized Sri Lankan companies, as well as international and multinational brands. Alongside this, we also develop and manufacture our own brand, Opli Luxury Products. As Oproma Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, we are a GMP-certified company with the capability to manufacture pharma-grade products. Our operations begin with responsible procurement, ensuring that every raw material we source meets strict quality, safety, and compliance standards. Effective coordination between departments ensures smooth internal operations. Our finance team ensures transparency, accuracy, and financial discipline across every function of the organization. Strong financial control supports sustainable and well-managed growth. People are our greatest strength. Our human resources team is committed to building a skilled, motivated, and ethical workforce. Leadership at Oproma is driven by vision, accountability, and continuous improvement, guiding every department towards shared success. Quality begins with discipline. Every individual entering our production facility adheres to strict hygiene and safety protocols. Strict access control, defined movement paths, and disciplined hygiene practices are followed throughout the production facility to maintain a clean and controlled manufacturing environment. Sanitization is mandatory, ensuring a controlled and contamination-free manufacturing environment. All raw materials are carefully stored, monitored, and released only after quality verification. Each material is tracked and documented to ensure full traceability from receipt to production. Precision drives our production. Each ingredient is measured, processed, and manufactured under strict operational controls to ensure consistency and performance. Every step of the manufacturing process follows defined procedures to maintain consistent quality. Our filling and inspection processes are monitored continuously, ensuring every unit meets our quality benchmarks before moving forward. Multiple in-process checks ensure accuracy, hygiene, and uniformity throughout filling. Independent quality checks confirm safety, stability, and compliance at every stage. A dedicated team of professionals oversees production and quality, combining experience, technical expertise, and accountability. Finished products are stored under controlled conditions, ready for distribution while maintaining product integrity. Our stores team ensures accurate handling, traceability, and timely movement of products. In our dedicated soap manufacturing unit, traditional knowledge meets modern manufacturing discipline. Specialized processes are carefully monitored to maintain consistent output. Production, maintenance, and regulatory teams work together to ensure uninterrupted operations and full compliance. Innovation is driven by science. Our research and development laboratory focuses on formulation excellence, safety, and continuous improvement. Testing and evaluation form the foundation of reliable product development. Our well-experienced research and development team work fully on trending, quality, and result-oriented initiatives. They transform ideas into effective, market-ready solutions. Our commitment to quality and innovation has been recognized through multiple industry awards. Oproma now manufactures 100% Ayurvedic products, developed in consultation with specialized Ayurvedic doctors and expert chemists to ensure authenticity and quality. Oproma thrives with a young professional team dedicated to personal growth and the company's success. Every day, they bring energy, creativity, and commitment to their work, constantly innovating and striving to achieve excellence for themselves, for the company, and for the customers we serve. Leadership has been a defining strength of Oproma Cosmetics. Mr. Pradeep Mapalagama, Managing Director, brings over 25 years of experience in business development and the manufacturing of skincare, haircare, and healthcare products. With extensive expertise in regulatory compliance, business management, marketing, and manufacturing operations, his knowledge and strategic vision have driven the company's growth journey, building Oproma from its foundation to its current position of excellence. He is not only a leader, but also a mentor to the Oproma team, guiding professionals through discipline, innovation, and continuous improvement.
Our managing director has been recognized for his outstanding contributions over the years. In 2012, he received the Mass Lanka Trade Honor Award for excellence in business. In 2013, he was honored with the Mass Sri Lanka Personality Award for his influential work. Most recently, in 2024, he was recognized as an honorary certified entrepreneur for his exceptional leadership and entrepreneurial achievements. Oproma Cosmetics, manufacturing trust, delivering quality, shaping the future of Sri Lankan cosmetic excellence.